Water pollution is a big problem. It affects people all over the world and has no one cause. In this segment, we will be discussing the effects of aquifer depletion and pollution. First, we need to understand what an aquifer is and what it's used for to see how it affects us. An aquifer is an underground layer of permeable rock that can contain or transmit groundwater. An aquifer is not an underground river or lake. Aquifers are used to get most of our drinking water. Therefore, they are really important because we can only use 1% of the Earth's surface water. Adding to the percentages, only 99% of the usable water is groundwater. And believe it or not, aquifers provide 99% of all groundwater. All right, well, that's enough numbers. Let's get down to the real problem. The water levels in aquifers have depleted significantly, some places up to more than 150 feet. Most of this drop in the water levels happened after humans started using modern irrigation systems for crops. A recent study conducted by the United States Geological Survey looked at long-term groundwater depletion in 40 U.S. aquifers. The study showed that from the 1900s to 2008, 1,000 cubic kilometers had been used. That's enough to fill 1/4 of the Grand Canyon. And to be more precise, 25% of the overall depletion took place in the last 8 years of study. This is just the facts of the problem that we have at hand. Pollution is also something that damages the water in aquifers. Some of the main sources of pollution are pesticides and herbicides, storage tanks, septic systems, hazardous waste, landfills, road salts, and atmospheric contaminants. So how can we help? How do we make sure that future generations don't have to deal with this problem? Let's talk to our Secretary of the Future to find out.
Well, we won't be able to revert all the damage we've done, but here are a few ideas. First, some aquifers have parts that recharge. When precipitation reaches above average levels, it can help aquifer water levels rise. Direct injection, where treated water is put directly into groundwater, is another option, as well as cut waters, which are areas of excavated land built in low-lying areas away from bodies of water to collect as much available surface water.